Hello friends, welcome to our channel Outset Skills. So let's see about Google Docs in today's video. Open Chrome, same. In these 9 dots Google Apps, you will find Google Docs. Google Docs symbol will be like this. When you open Google Docs, it appears like this. This is template gallery. Many templates are available for some resume, letter, or any lesson plans for teachers, and many templates are available. You can check it out. Now I am clicking blank. Just let's see the tools and the options present in Google Docs. So when you open, it appears like this. Here you can give the name. When you click this, select this, you can give the name. This video is specially for beginners. So I'll name it as beginners talk. So when you name, rename. And one more thing is anything you do in Google Docs or Google Forms or any Google applications, they are automatically saved to your drive. Any edit or anything, they're automatically saved to your drive. So let's see what this file is. When you click file, there are many options. You can see this share to share your document. This is used for new document. Here only you can open a new Google form or presentation or spreadsheet. This is open. If you have already done a Google document, to open that form we can click use this open, make a copy. If you have done your document, if you want to make copies of that, you can do this and download. When you going to download, there are many options: dot docs, dot odt, dot rtf, dot pdf, dot txt, and these are the types. If you want your document in this word format, you can download it in word format. If you want your document in text format, you can download it in text format. If you want your document in pdf format, you can download it in your pdf format. In any format you can download. If you want to send this in email, you can directly click this, you can directly send, make available. So when this Google Drive, Google Docs are available, are done in online. So if you want this document in your system, you can click this. It will be available without network. Version history, this is a history of a document. When a document is done, its name and date. So rename, we all know to change the name. Move, you can move this document like from one folder to another folder. Add shortcut to drive. When you click this, with that shortcut you can directly open your document. There are still options: move to trash, delete, publish to web. When you click this, it directly can be published on web. When you click this, all the details about documents are displayed: its name, date, when it was created, time, edit options, everything. This language, this is an important option in Google Docs. We have seen this option while we are doing Google Forms. So in this language, there are many languages. You can select one, and not only international languages, regional languages are also there. Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, every language is there. Can do it very easily. We have seen up to language. So next, page setup. So this is about the setting up page, its options. Very simple options. I want to explain you now. Edit. So these are everyone can understand. Undo, if you by mistake deleted anything, when you click undo, it retains. Redo, paste, copy, paste these options, delete, select all, find and replace. And find and replace, this is also a very interesting option. If you want any word, if you have typed a long document, a documentary on something, and if you want a particular word, for example, type you have done documentary on girls education, and in that you have typed education spelling wrong, you know that the word appears in many places. When you click this find and replace, in the place of education, if you want to replace study, or if you want to correct the spelling, just click find and replace option. In find, you should click education, and in the replace, the word that you wanted to replace or the correct spelling that you want to replace, and you type it and click ok. Then at every place where that word is there, that is replaced. Next, view how our document is viewed. It shows it. And insert, this is image. You can insert image from your computer, or you can search the web, drive, photos, every option is there. Need to can insert tables, same as word. You can draw, even chart, many types of charts can be inserted. This is same as word and more effective than word. Headers and footers, you will see all these options in word, and some extra options are there in Google Docs, such as languages. And this is bookmark. When you want to mark something, when it is there, some important note is there, you can mark it. And table of contents, this also you have seen in word. And format, if you want a text, if you are doing a paragraph, but line spacing, columns, headers, footers, page numbers, all can be done. Next, tools, spelling and grammar. Sorry, spelling and grammar, this is very important. When you are doing some document and if you want to submit it, you just need to check it, grammar and spellings. And word count, this is also important. Sorry. So this is a new option, compare documents, so that is why it popped up. And translate document, dictionary, script editor, accessibility setting. Here is one interesting tool, voice typing. So when you click this, I'll show you this in practical. Just click this, and if I wanted to type anything, just click this and you talk whatever you want. Everything, you can talk whatever you want, everything is typed automatically. This is what voice typing is. You can see I am talking, the text is typed here. I'll stop this. So you can see I have talked, everything is added here. So that's it. Next, add-ons. Add-ons is like some special features. If you want to add some special features, we can do it by, there will be different add-ons. From the web, we have to download add-ons and use it with our document if we want. This is help everyone know. If you have any error, you can ask Google help. They'll help you. So that's it about intro of Google Docs. We'll do document in different languages in coming videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow my social handles. The link is given in the description.